Wait a minute.
You need to pay the hotel bill. You owe us $18,000.
I said I'll come out in a minute. Good day to you.
Fine.
I am afraid I do not have money to pay rent this month, but I do have a proposition. This is one of my inventions, meaning it's priceless. It is called the death beam. With it, words will lose all meaning.
Okay, but you must demonstrate first.
Oh, if this box is opened without the preparations needed, the whole building will blow up.
Okay, I'll talk to the owner and see what I can do. By the way, you maybe want to see this. Just bring me papers when you're done reading.
Gospodine Tesla, drago mi je što ste stigli.
Imao sam malih problema sa plaćanjem u hotelu.
Da, što se tiče toga, jako sam zabrinut za vas. Nemate ni jedan izvor novca.
Ne brini se ti za mene, Zlatko, stvarno. Ako sam preživao koleru, mogu i još da ga preživim. I sada bacimo se na posao. Kako ide izrada zraka smrti?
Ne dobro, gospodine. Nemamo ni približno dovoljno novca kako bi ga završili.
Pa da, jeste ispalo malo skuplje nego što sam planirao. Nema veze, daću deo iz svog džepa za izradu.
Nemojte, molim vas, gospodine. Odrekli ste se jedine zarade radi Westinghouse-a.
Zlatkoslave, znaš da meni nikada nije bilo do zarade. Ja želim da olakšam život što više ljudi mojim izvodima.
Da, gospodine, ali probajte da prodate neki od svojih patenata. Recimo, patenat zraka smrti, kako biste ga unapredili.
To nije tako loša ideja. Razgovarat ću sutra sa nekim iz vlade. Možda oni budu zainteresovani. I know it is a risky invention, but it will pay off. No, it will work. Niko nismo razumeli genijalno. Ovo ne može spriječiti rata koliko dođe do njega. Da se ljudi napravlja treba reći rata o neki da se nešto bi rata na koji se ne bi nešto Ne, nemoj da zoveš hitnu pomoć. Ne moram u bolnicu, Zlatkoslave. Ne, jedva me je povredilo. Samo mi je dalo malo modrica i poboljšalo moje varenje. Dobro, doviđenja, Zlatkoslave. Ovo nije dobro. Kasnim kola na čekaju, moram ih uzeti. It can destroy anything, alive or not. For now it can kill pigeons up to 200 miles away, or a mouse if it's close to it. Even if there is a metal pen between the mouse and the beam.
Excuse me, Mr. Tesla, but has anyone bought the dead beam yet? It sounds like it's a very useful thing in a war that's approaching.
No, Mr. Twain, nobody believes the beam itself will work, but I shall soon prove them wrong. I would have already made it, but I had a little financial problem a couple years back. Haven't worked on it ever since.
That's fascinating. I don't care what they think about you, calling you a freak or being weird. I think you're a genius and you will succeed.
Well, thank you, Mr. Twain. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a meeting to attend.
Goodbye, Mr. Tesla. And I hope you call me when the death beam is done. I would love to visit the laboratory once again.
Yes. Good evening, Nick.
Good evening, sir.
Your assistant Zlatkoslav has called. He told that you're in some kind of financial problem. Is it true?
Yes, that is true, Mr. Westinghouse.
So then, what you took to answer me so long?
I told him not to contact you years back, but I guess even I have to accept I don't have any money anymore.
I figured I'm having a downfall as well as you may have noticed. I could pay food and rent for you. Normally I would disagree this, but considering what you have done for my company, I would say yes.
Thank you, Mr. Westinghouse. Now I can finally perfect the beam. I promise you won't be disappointed.
My dear friend, what has gotten into you? You look horrible.
Madness, my friend. I cannot stop thinking about the beam. I cannot eat. I barely sleep. 2 hours a night at most. That is enough, right?
You're too tired for the interview today. Do you want to put it off for a few days?
No, I can do it.
Are you sure? Do you at least want a coffee?
I don't drink coffee. It's unhealthy. I only drink whiskey. A glass a day keeps you healthy.
I'm not sure about that. Anyway, John is waiting here in the office. You may want to hurry up.
Nikole, long time no see.
I was a bit busy with my inventions lately, Mr. Morgan. Have you considered buying my beam?
Bad news. I saw the plans and I have to say I'm not interested.
But it has a huge potential.
I'm not a violent man, Tesla. Find someone who loves fighting wars and sell it to them.
Have you at least considered buying one of my other patents, like the one for wireless electricity?
Bad news again. We could not find any way to charge for electricity that way. Even if we could, with the lightings across the sky, everyone could connect themselves for free.
That is the only reason you don't want my invention. Your sick greed.
Tesla, you better listen to me, cause I'm not gonna say this twice. Not everyone can just live peacefully while others pay for them. Now get out of my office. I wanna see you again.
Gentlemen, this work has become too big. We need to end it.
But how? It's not that simple.
I have an idea. Remember that freak that came here to sell his dead machine?
Nikole Tesle.
Yeah, that guy. We can buy his invention.
Yeah, but does it work?
We gotta take this risk.
That's a perfect idea, but when are we going to have the meeting? We don't have any time. The work has taken all of it.
Just a moment. We have one in January 8th, in 1943.
January, it is. Mr. Tesla! Mr. Tesla! Mr. Tesla, wake up! Mr. Tesla! Mr. Tesla!
Gdje si štreberu, kako ide zrak smrti?
Зарамати, мог да направим.
Kući, obuci se, lelene ranke. Kući, obuci se, lelene ranke.
Šta snimaš bre?